Headlines: 123rd birth anniversary of Hijab Mirabot Day observed across the state. Workshop to combat illicit trafficking of Afghan opiates, drugs situation in the Northeast held. And Minister Nemcha Kipgen flags off state-level Poshan Ma cycle rally. Hello, this is Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. In view of the 123rd birth anniversary observance of Lamjingba Hijab Mirabot and 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on October 2, a cleanliness drive was held across the state. Meitei Pangal and Meiteis jointly cleaned the surroundings areas of Lilong Bazar of Thobal district in connection with the statewide observation of 123rd birth anniversary celebration of Lamjingba Jananeta Hijab Mirabot today. The cleanliness drive was organized by Irabot Observation Committee, Lilong. Talking about the event, convener of Mohammed Murtazar said that cleanliness is important for a healthy society. He added that the drive was organized to unite the indigenous people for better unification of the state.
Lamjingba Hijab Mirabot puningsing boina mahagna tawbiramba mahagna chatpiramba mahagna takpiramba adugi makha taba thabak ekhoina khara khajik tawboina samaj asibu lu nanba amadi aikhoigi bu na dektana tinjang lejangdana hingba punchi mare lamu oiba ngamnabagi de pannam aduda aikhoina ngasigi Irabot de thauram asibu Lilong Bazar Thobal district Manipur sida pangthok chabani.
Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Heptullah, has inaugurated an international conference cum workshop on comprehensive approach to combat illicit trafficking of Afghan opiates and drug situation in Northeast states at Hotel Classic Grande, Imphal today. The program was jointly organized by Government of Manipur and United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime Regional Office, South Asia, UNODC, Rosa. Speaking at the event, Governor Najma Heptullah stated that the government will take up steps about the increasing cases of illegal drugs and transportation in India and Northeast states. The international conference cum workshop was attended by delegates from Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal and Sri Lanka. Governor Najma also asserted that stern actions are also been taken up in Manipur following the instruction of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to make India drug-free. She added that the problems can't be tackled if the law enforcement agencies of northeastern states are not strengthened. The governor also expressed the need to organize a special training program in this matter by UNDOC in the northeastern states.
Conducting authentic studies on the drug situation in the Northeast, I would suggest the UNODC to convene and conduct training and capacity building of the law enforcing agencies of all the 6 countries under the regional office. I would suggest that UNODC as the regional cooperation agency takes initiative in establishing a Southeast Asia regional intelligence sharing mechanism in addition to the integrated border management mechanism to counter illicit trafficking.
Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen has flagged off the state-level Poshan Ma cycle rally today. The rally, organized by the Department of Social Welfare, Government of Manipur, started from the Directorate Headquarters, Social Welfare near 2nd MR Gate. The rally covered Imphal areas. The rally, which marks the end of month-long Poshan Ma observation, was attended by several Anganwadi workers and helpers. Speaking on the occasion, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen said the rally will help the public the benefits of Poshan Ma. She further urged each individual to support the government in taking up various schemes for the welfare of the public.
Poshan Ma gi mapau poduna Manipur gi prayamiyamda awareness piba oirasuno amadi ngasi gi rally asina achoba maipakpa oirasuno Poshan Abhiyan scheme asi joint sensitization thoram sing tongan ba district amadi block sing desu pangthokre scheme asina piriba kanaba sing Manipur state na phangnaba hotnabada prayami amnasu mateng pangbiyu.
The Irabot Celebration Committee More also celebrated 123rd birth anniversary at Ima Kondon Lairembi Haraubung Haibukhong Lekai at More. The function was attended by Autonomous District Council member Lamboi Gangte, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Additional District Magistrate More L. Manikanta, Additional Superintendent of Tingnopal Law and Order K.H. Robinson, MCM President M. Thoiba, President of Akodom T.H. Buddha Meite, President of KNA&L T.H. Ibemhal, Vice President of NKCLL Presmabati and President of Tingnopal District Committee and Mairaba Meite. Floral tribute were paid to the photos of Hijam Irabot during the ceremony. Acting as a resource person of the function, senior journalist Mandira Konsam highlighted on the teachings of Hijam Irabot. As a part of the function, songs dedicated to Lamyanba Irabot was presented. A mass rally cum awareness program was held at Ima Kwakta Bazaar Community Hall, organized by Kwakta Municipal Council as a part of Swachhta Hi Seva Plastic Waste Sharamdan Swachh Survekshan 2020 today. The program was attended by ex-chairperson Councillor of Kwakta Municipal Council Mohammad Mahiruddin, Councillor Mohammad Azad Khan, Councillors of Ward Number 3 Mohammad Abdul Salam and Mohammad Abdul Karim, Electorate Officer of the Council Gaugingal, LDC Mohammad Rozan Ali, former Councillor Mohammad Abdul Hamid, Social Worker Mohammad Anwar Ali and Social Worker Mohammad Abdul Salam took the dais. Members of self-help groups and students were also present. Solid waste resource segregation for the Municipal Council was inaugurated as part of the event. Twin dustbins were installed at 7 educational institutions and 50 commercial establishments of the council. A rally was also staged around the Kwakta Bazaar carrying the message of Swachhta Hi Seva Plastic Waste Shramdan and took the pledge to keep the council clean. Former chairperson of Kwakta Municipal Council Mohammad Mahiruddin urged the support of the people of Kwakta in keeping the area clean. Placards that read "Stop using plastics, keep Kwakta clean" were held. We'll take a short commercial break, but coming up, first district level painting competition held. Do stay tuned.
Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Manipur. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVA DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862 566601 or 038524520011. Authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
Welcome back. The Angel Club Thinungai has organized the first district level painting competition on rolls of Loktak Lake at Thinungai, Bishnupur district today to commemorate 123rd birth anniversary of Jananeta Hijam Irabot today. Additional Superintendent Operations of Bishnupur Police Manihar MPS Pradhan of Thinungai Gram Panchayat and Bhagyapati Devi, President of AMIK Bishnupur Center TH Swami Kumar and elected ward members of Thinungai Gram Panchayat along with several others were present during the event. KSH Manihar has urged each individual to follow the footsteps of our leaders. He also cautioned the young generations about the excessive use of mobile phones in the name of advanced society. Around 140 students of various schools took part in the competition. The competition was organized in 2 categories of class 5 to 7 and 8 to 10. Cash prize of Rs 3,000, Rs 2,000 and Rs 1,000 were given to the first, second and third winners respectively along with certificates. Consolation prize were also distributed. PH Sai Princy of LCM School was the winner of first category and Sai Shridhan Yumkhaibam of St. Xavier School won in the second category. Khantha Haudaba Mikup under the production of Kangleiwood Cinema and Film Brother Films was released at Indian National Army Hall, Moirang yesterday. MLA of Thanga constituency T. Robindro Singh, who is also the chairman of PDA, National and State Awardee KH Indra Kumar Singh, and president of ISTV Network and filmmaker P. Prafullo were the main guests of the function.
Missing Yamama, Yam picture of the Momo Basu, Saita Kalagi, Lamdati, Barats, the Kimatic, Command Johnson, they have a say, because we are putting a kind of pony. Simon Sida, Manipuri, Halitiki Pong, Arigon San, Sana Putumba, imagining Tim, Filamon, Anba, Baraki, Yan Hamakan, pre-7 award to, with imagining Tim as own punky. Notice.
Manipur Literary Society Imphal released a poetry book titled Mancha Nangbu, written by Brahmani Mangang today. Convener of Manipur Advisory Board Nongmaithem Kiran Kumar, President of Manipur Literary Society Samurai Latpam Pralad Sharma, and President of Sea Waves Imphal Salam Tomba took the dais. The poetry book consists of 70 romantic poems. Some books of the writer are Singel Inunganbi, Iram Leishinya Tangkul. Mamit Hawan Foundation organized a free medical camp at Thiam Konjin, Imphal East to mark the 123rd birth anniversary of Hija Mirabot. Many well-known actors of Manipur film industry volunteered at the free medical camp. Doctors from different departments such as homeopathy, Ayurveda, ophthalmology, dental, general medicine, gynecology, ENT and ortho provided treatment to 437 individuals during the camp.
Lamyanba Irabot Siga Mailen and Okana Pangtok Seriba medical camp Lem Nana Layang Bamadi Lem Hidak Pibegi Pangtok Seriba Mopamsi Kogi Tiam Konjindani Masi Mami Tawangi Oina Akoina Manipur Giba Karigumba Havatabakardang Toromsi Haiba Pandam Sida Koina Pangtok Seriba free medical camp money Maroina.
The 123rd birth anniversary of Hija Mirabot is being observed today across the state with much tribute and honor. As a part of the observance, Lamyanba Irabot Ningshin Thoram Observation Committee under the aegis of Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur also observed the Hija Mirabot's 123rd birth anniversary at Asiko Ground, Yai School, Janmasthan, Imphal West. Rich floral tributes was paid to the photograph of Irabot as a mark of respect to the departed leader during the program. In view of the 123rd birth anniversary observance of Lamyanba Hija Mirabot, around 50 members of DM. Dam Makhung Development Organization Tulihal Taubu Pokpi carried out a mass social work and saplings plantation under the theme Let's Make a Clean Taubokpi. This morning, the mass cleanliness drive, which started from Taubokpi Dam Makhung, concluded at Hairong Road. 3 saplings plantations were also conducted as part of the mass social service. Time for another short break, but coming up, Hari Piatrongbrum of TOMTV bags Mrs. Photogenic in the Mrs. and Miss Iowa 2019. Stay tuned for more.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom. Mahindra Tractor Showroom na monsoon season lakada monsoon offer pijiri. India da Saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder. Akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta miyamda phanganjari. Ho sangbay matakpada electric prepaid ta supnataki lupa ni makai mai jai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani. Rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awab leitraba yumgi sangoi kachin amada hillaga isana adum phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni akupa marol gidamak lingsin birau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazaar pijariba offer price ki kudong saba simyamna lawi ho akaknaba matam khara khaktan.
Welcome back. The participants of Miss and Mrs. Iowa 2019 arrived at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport, Imphal today. Mrs. Victoria Okram bagged the title of first runners-up and Mrs. Haripriya Tongram bagged Mrs. Photogenic in the Mrs. category. For the Miss category, Jessica Laishram won the second runners-up and Miss Best Walk Mercy Kurai Jum won the Best Smile and Charishma Lemapokpam bagged the Best Fitness title. Miss and Mrs. Award 2019 was held at Mumbai from September 24 to 28. Speaking exclusively to TOMTV, the winners expressed happiness over their respective wins.
Aina laura iba subtitle sigi matong ina ay Manipur miyamsda ama khoigi khara adum mating khara pange na khale
aina thengnar ko experiencing share to ba amade aina moida yam hen haizaning bari ego laitaba yamna ego wangdaba adum oza guru masak munna khangba adu o heninge adu matamda da mai pa kan yana khanjai title sing chelo bi matamda kari thobi yam harawe yam nungai us pawe
aina luxury se Mrs category best Miss photogenic title ni luxury se
Manipuri miyam da amadi akogi hairi ba title sibu lawna ba hona bada mai pak na hona bada mating pang bigi sing kare kare habini
hiding badi yam hiding habadi without their support I won't be possible to do anything then yam harawi yam nungai especially I'm very thankful to TOMTV team also as I'm also as a part of TOMTV. Then I thank all my friends, my colleagues and my schools. That's all.
A rally carrying the message of cleanliness cum social service was held at Thongju Part 2. The rally was organized by Ibudau Thongju Lakpa Village Level Federation, Ibudau Koro Lakpa and Yumjau Lerembi Thongju Part 2 under the aegis of Manipur State Rural Livelihood. The rally was organized to commemorate the 123rd birth anniversary of Jananeta Lamyanba Hijam Irabot. Taking part in the rally, Pradhan of Thongju Part 2, K. Kanon Chanu said that the rally was organized to follow in the footsteps of Hijam Irabot.
Sabha Saha Sexrana Amalay Aduki Matanga, Koiki Gram Saba, 2nd October, the Pangadamni, Sigi Mamanga, Amapangtokse, Madugi, Sosensa Bistuka Sumari, Lainana, Akogi Celeb Group Kangu, Punlaga, Kogi Grams, Vansai Kaftan Zavani.
In order to commemorate the glorious occasion of 3rd anniversary of Parakram Divas, Assam Rifles Thobal Battalion organized a program Know Your Army Mela at Thangjing Ningthau Flower School, Thobal Kiam Sifai today. The event was attended by more than 400 students. The event started with a motivational lecture and inspirational movie followed by equipment and weapon display so all the students could enjoy and inculcate patriotic feelings. The outreach initiative was aimed at spreading more awareness about the Parakram Divas and the sacrifices and valor displayed by our soldiers. The principal and staff of the school thanked the battalion for such an educative, motivational and thoughtful gesture and wished Assam Rifles good luck for their future endeavors. Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Development of North Eastern Region donor Jitendra Singh said that a 4-day festival Destination Northeast will be held in Varanasi from November 23rd next. The festival will be held in the important site of Hindu pilgrimage to familiarize the people with the rich unexplored potential and opportunities available in the Northeast region. The festival promises to be a grand spectacle as a list of cultural programs of the northeastern region has been lined up for the festival. Moreover, food stalls selling diverse northeastern foods items will be set up at the venue to satiate the taste buds of the visitors. There will also be a business center to offer entrepreneurship and livelihood opportunities in the region. Destination Northeast will be held in a similar way as other kinds of festivals showcasing the diversity of the northeastern region had been held in other parts of the country such as Delhi and Chandigarh. It may be mentioned that a 3-day cultural festival, Northeast Festival, showcasing the diversity of the northeastern region will also be held in Delhi from November 8, 2019. Several hundred prisoners convicted of offence other than murder, rape and corruption will be released from jails across India on October 2 to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The number could be nearly 600 and the final list is being prepared by the Union Home Ministry in close coordination with the state governments and the administrations of the Union territories. Under the scheme for special remission to mark the birth anniversary, prisoners had been released on October 2, 2018 and April 6, 2019. The third phase is due on the coming Gandhi Jayanti, that is October 2, 2019. Now let's have a look at the sports news. Novak Djokovic may be one of the fittest athletes in the world, but the world number one wrestled with rare feelings of being hopelessly out of shape during a workout with retired sumo professionals today. The 32-year-old Serb, who is in Tokyo to play in the Japan Open Tennis Championships, visited a traditional dojo or a sumo ring to watch the wrestlers during their morning practice before unsuccessfully attempting to make one of them budge. The Serbian sensation tried to push his counterpart as much as he could without practically no results. Djokovic, who plays Australian Alexei Popyrin in the first round tomorrow, recalled watching Yokozuna Akebono, who became sumo's first foreign-born grand champion in 1993. Now, before we wrap up, the top stories once again. 123rd birth anniversary of H.M. Irabor Day observed across the state. Workshop to combat illicit trafficking of Afghan opiates, drugs situation in Northeast held. And Minister Nemcha Kipgin flags off state-level Poshan Ma cycle rally. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.